It's Sunday morning. I'm going to my very first fitness class. I'm going to mat Pilates out of the house to the studio. So I'm on the elevator going to the 5th floor. New things. Pilates Sunday. It's surely great to be punctual 15 minutes early. There's a class going on, so I just chill on the steps, sipping some water. I was looking for a bathroom, but I couldn't find one. But yeah, it's Sunday. Outside Pilates. Creating the vision, inside and out. Thank you.
Squeeze into that circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. Last 10. Breathe in. And 2, 1, and lift. Curl up. 3, 2, and 1.
I am Deanna, and this is my channel, and I am documenting my fitness journey, my transformation, me turning me into my vision, and capturing all of the things so that I can see it and others can witness it also. So I downloaded the ClassPass app yesterday. What's today? Sunday. I downloaded it Saturday. And I'm like, let me do a class on Sunday before I start back my work week. So I found a mat Pilates class, and if you already have been watching my Creating the Vision journey, you already know that I've been doing like mat Pilates already at home.
Heal yourself up. Take this as slow as your body needs. Let's take it slower.
And so I was kind of hesitant, and I had the feeling of, let me just wait, but I will wait and put off stuff, and it'll be 1, 2, 3, 5 years, and I look up and be like, I should have did that. So I pushed myself to do it. And so I booked it, and I went today at 10. And when I say I'm in Chicago, baby, it's Alaska. It's Alaska outside. And I'm like, I wonder if they gonna cancel the class. So I was taking a look. I'm a tourist. I don't mind some canceled plans because I'll get back in bed. And it's so crazy because I was trying to sleep. I set my alarm for like 8. I'm trying to sleep, and I kept on waking up. I'm like, I don't want to miss this class, but I also didn't want to miss it or oversleep because, baby, they charge you $17, and y'all can't have $17 out of me. So I kept on waking up like, did I miss it? Did I miss it? It looked bright outside. Is it 10 o'clock? Is it past 10? But I was right on time.
4, 3, all the way down. Right leg comes up to the ceiling.
I had a great time at that class.
Deep into the mat, and the toes towards the ceiling. Feel the knees into the mat. Feel the back press into the mat, and then the shoulders. Yes, deep breath in. Exhale as you curl up. Lift yourself up and reach for the toes. Breathe. Exhale. Breathe in and sit up tall like you're up against the wall.
I talked to the instructor, and I let her know, I'm like, I started doing Pilates at home in July, I think. And it really prepared me for the class. So you would think like doing YouTube videos compared to going to a class, the class is going to be more challenging. And there was a challenge, but I didn't feel like I couldn't do it. It felt like it was beginners at home and then up a level there. And so the girls was outside. First of all, nobody said they was canceling. They said they're coming in. Everybody said, y'all not getting my $17. It was like maybe like 25 to 30 ladies in the class. And baby, we was all oohing and ahhing and whoo at the same time. It was a good class. So I told her that I was gonna be back next Sunday because she does them every Sundays, but baby, ClassPass won't let me book for next Sunday. They said, this is a trial. You get to try the classes. You don't get to rebook until you buy, and I understand that. So
exhale, round forward. Breathe in, sit up tall. Flat back, shoulders in the back.
I'm going to try my best to record or film myself during the classes that I take with ClassPass. I did read that some classes don't allow you to bring any devices, which is cool, you know. But if I can, I'm going to try my best to record it just for my sake, but also for that content, you hear me? So yeah, so today was Pilates. I already booked a Wednesday class. I think it's called P-Volve. It's like a low impact group fitness class. So also, if you've been watching my series, Creating the Vision, you know I have been already doing low impact workouts with Grow with Joe on YouTube. And so when I see a low impact fitness class, I honestly didn't know that it was a thing outside of my living room. So I'm excited. I'm excited about that. So I hope they allow recording in that. So Pilates today. I don't want to get bored, so I'm trying these new things, especially because it's free. ClassPass is doing the 30-day free trial for the month of January. I don't know if this is always how it is or if this is just like a new year, new me coupon that they have going on. But yeah, I want to try new things. Boxing is on my list. Now I'm not gonna stunt. I'm not one of those type of people that like say I'm scared. I've really been practicing changing my relationship with the word scared and fear, and not trying to express it and just pushing myself to do those things. But baby, when I say scared of the boxing class, I'm nervous. I don't know why. It just seems so intense. Like, I don't know. But it is on the top of my list because, baby, when I'm feeling some type of way and I can feel the fire in me, my hands get hot and I'm like, I just want to hit something, and that might not sound healthy, but it's very realistic, you know. And so I will use my hands to write in my journal, but I want to use my hands and I want to do other things. So it's time to put these hands to work. And baby, I don't know, I might be raw. So I really need to push through that scaredness in me so that I can do that. That's really on the top tippity top of my list. Ooh, and hot yoga. I have to find my workout shorts because baby, I can't go in pants. They said it's 95 degrees in there, and I know that I can withstand because I know that I can, but even still, I'm going to want a little bit of leg freedom that day. But that's on my list also. And they have other classes and stuff, obviously. But I'm very excited for this ClassPass journey, and I see why the people, whoever created ClassPass, snapped. Phenomenal, smart. It makes so much sense. You can literally do something new every single day, and I'm pretty sure if you actually purchase the membership, that you can just do as many fitness classes as you want. You can do 5 a day if you want to, and that's good because you'll never get bored, for real. And then you can rebook the classes that you actually like, and you won't have to buy 1,017 memberships. So today was dedicated to Pilates, and I really had a great time. So when I'm at home doing my Pilates, it's just my body weight and the mat. We had the what was it called? The ring. If you do Pilates, then obviously you'll know it's like a ring, and so it helped with some of the positions and also helped with like the tension. And I'm like, I don't know what this little circle thing is, but one thing about it, baby, an instructor is a master, and she just knew what she was doing. She did a phenomenal job. Shout out to the instructor. Her name was Raven. Good time, just really good time. I'm definitely going to be going back to her ClassPass or not. Hopefully it ain't crazy expensive, but yes, that is the plan. So the class started at 10. I think what time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock now. Energy. I have so much energy. I was planning on going back to sleep when I got back. I have so much energy. I meal prepped my breakfast for the week. I made I usually make omelets. I said I don't feel like making no omelet every single day this week. I really don't have it in me. You feel me? And so I made like a omelet bake. I used a couple of eggs, whole eggs, and then I used a carton and a half of egg whites, some spinach, some garlic, green peppers, onions, and then I seasoned it up, pepper jack cheese, and then some regular cheese, baked it up. So pretty. It looks so pretty. And I got some turkey bacon, and I have some potatoes that I might use, or I might go get some of the low carb lavash bread and roll it up in there. And yeah, I also prepped me some meatballs, and I'm going to make like a Greek salad over arugula and spinach with I got ground turkey, feta, black olives, green olives, and some cucumbers. Forgot the tomatoes, not going back to the store. So I'll be having that for the week. And to not have to think about what you cook. This is why people meal prep. To not have to think about what you're going to eat every single day or cook something every single day. It just makes the load of life so much easier in your life. And you can focus on other things like actually getting your movement. Because if I get stuck in the kitchen for so long, I'm going to do something really quick and call it a day, which is not really realistic when you're really trying to transform, you know. And this part of my life, baby, when I say the access has to go, been there, done that. It's been 30 years, been that way. Now it's time to be another way. You feel me? So yeah, so today was Pilates day. Excited to showcase Wednesday for the low impact fitness class. Prayers up that they allow me to record in there, because I really want to. I'm trying to document this journey like no other, so I can really look back.
Back into the back pockets, hold it here. Please look to the left. Up and over to the right. Exhale as you lower down. Just one more.